Hi, Kavya ma'am. Namaskara. And Rajesh sir. How are
Oh,
you?
hello, Victor.
How are you, Ji?
Fine.
Good,
How are
good,
you?
good. Yeah, good, sir. Good, sir. Yes.
Biresh,
Sir,
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ವಿಕ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
okay, sir. Sir, is the screen is visible, sir?
ಎಸ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್
Okay, sir. First of all, I welcome you for the technical seminar on the topic called Animatronic and Model under the guidance of Professor Vanaraju B. And I am Biresh MP. Here we begin. This is the index or the list of content which I have followed. Next is an introduction. The first question arises, what is animatronic? It is very simple. It means that the animatronic models are the made to move in a natural way by means of computers. To understand this topic, I will give a scenario. When a person is riding his bike and he met with an accident, then he lost his finger, you can see in the figure 2. So that to overcome that problem, there is a technology called animatronic hand model. And he can use an animatronic hand so that it may helpful for him. This is the brief introduction of my topic. Next, let us look on to what are all the basic components of animatronic hand model. Here you can see Arduino Uno, rotatory potentiometer, breadboard, female or male extension jumper wire, Arduino Nano and Arduino IDE. And I will briefly explaining about each components. First, let us look on to what is Arduino Uno. It is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Next is rotatory potentiometer. It's a 3-terminal resistor which resistance can be manually adjusted to the control flow. Next is breadboard. It is used to make quick electrical connections between the components. Next is wire. It is used to connect between the components and the breadboard. Next is female or male extension jumper wire. That means it's used to connect between the component and a breadboard. Next is Arduino Nano.
Girish,
Sir?
are you recording this?
Yes, sir, I am recording.
Okay.
Next is Arduino Nano. It is used to produce a clock of precious frequency using a constant voltage. Next is Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE. IDE means that Integrated Development Environment. It's a cross-platform application that is written in function from C or C++. It is used to write and upload the program to Arduino compatible board. Next, let us look on to the literature survey. The first paper which I have referred is Animatronic and Model, and it's an IEEE paper. The main agenda or the main focus on this paper is the author used a Mandevik algorithm and he used servo.h library. Now I will briefly explaining about what is Mandevik algorithm. It's a type of algorithm in which it is used to calculate the width and height of an object so that the robot can hold the objects and lift. And next is servo.h library. This library allows the Arduino board to control the servo motors. By using this technology, the author come up with an accuracy up to 95%. The next paper which I have referred is Real-Time Hand Movements Control Robotic Arm for Risk Prevention, and it's an IEEE paper. The main agenda or the main focus on this paper is the author proposed an artificial human hand model which can preciously follow the real movements of human hand by means of image processing, thereby avoiding sensor noise and providing more adjustable response. In this paper, the author used a camera and an image processing. The camera will capture the workspace so that the author made a software called Visual Basics with an MVZV library for image processing. And from the system, he has connected to an Arduino and just it will pick the object. The main theory behind it is that the camera will capture the image and in the VB software, that means Visual Basic software, using an EmboSB library, and that is converted into a grayscale, and it will be converted into a black and white, so that we can extract the coordinates, so that we can extract the shape, and the object can be picked. And by using these techniques, the author come up with an accuracy rate up to 81%. The next paper which I have referred is Animatronic and System, controlled by and gesture, and it's an IRJET paper. The main agenda or the main focus on this paper is that the author used a flex sensor to build an animatronic hand. The main use of flex sensor is that the flex sensor is also called as bend sensor. Is the sensor that measures the amount of bending. Usually the sensor is stuck to the surface, and resistance of the sensor elements is varied by bending the surface. By using this sensor, we can increase the accuracy rate. Next, let us look on to the implementation part. In this model, we can capture the movement and action of users by using a flex sensor. Then we are transmitting circuits with using PWM, that means pulse width modulation, to convert the signal from the observed form to the transmitting form. Then there is a receiver circuit which receives the signals and sends to the servo motors for execution the operations. When each finger bends, the corresponding flex sensor bends, thereby varying the resistance. With the varying resistance shows the value with which the movements and bends of an ant can be detected. The Arduino is programmed according to the needs of application. Similarly, in this animatronic ant, it receives the signals from the flex sensor. Then according to the value of the sensor, the Arduino sends the command to the servo motors connected to it. This perform the very simple operations. The servo motors are devices which are used to convert the electrical energy into a mechanical energy. It's a closed loop which automatically sends negative feedback for the corrections of the position. It has a rotatory which provides precious control over angular and linear position. Next, let us look on to the applications. These are all the applications of animatronic hand. That is, physically challenged people use it for an alternative hand. Next is diffusion of bombs. In the diffusion of bombs, to prevent an high risk of lives, we can use an animatronic hand, and it can be used in a chemical industry to avoid the skin diseases, and also in the space to repair the space station are useful. By this, I am concluding my technical seminar that the real-time hand movements control robotic hand is more reliable because of its less dependency. And at last, mass productions of usage of this gesture control arm can easily bring critical hand-free sensorless manually controlled in our pockets, thereby preventing risk of human users. These are all the references which I have referred to my technical seminar. And just go through this video clipping. It is having just around 50 to 53 seconds, so that you will get to know how it works.
Resgata. Resgata.
Faceva sempre. Mișcă pe toate acum. Se vadă așa, se vadă asta așa. Așa.
Thank you, ma'am.
ವೀರೇಶ್
Sir?
ಈಗ ಅದು ನೀವು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗೆಸ್ಚರ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ,
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ.
Yes,
ಸೊ
sir.
ಆ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನಂಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ರೋಬೋಟ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಹೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಮ್?
Sir, by using sensor, we can calibrate now, sir. ಬೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಈ ತರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 5 ಫಿಂಗರ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಸರ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್
ಈಗ
ಟು
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೀರೇಶ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್
Okay,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
sir.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮೋಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮೋಟರ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮೋಟರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಫಿಂಗರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4 ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
ಒಂದೊಂದು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ.
ಓಕೆ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಸರ್
ನಿಂಗೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 40 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಿನ್ನ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೂ ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೂ ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಕ್ರನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Sir, by using some kind of coding, we can synchronize, no, sir. By using train, first ಅದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನ.
ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes,
ಸೊ
sir.
ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಂತೆ, ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ,
Yes, sir.
ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ನ ನೀನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ನಿಂದು ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ
Yes, sir.
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ,
ಹೊಡ್ದೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಗ್ಲಾಸು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ 100% ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅದನ್ನ ನೀನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದು ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೈಟ್ ನ ಅದು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಬಾಟ್ಲಿನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ 1/2 ಲೀಟರ್ ಬಾಟ್ಲು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ವಿಡ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, 1 ಲೀಟರ್ ಬಾಟ್ಲು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಿಡ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಅದೇ ಒಂಥರ ಇದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐರನ್ಗೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್
Okay,
ಟ್ರೈನ್
ಸರಿ.
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಈಗ
ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ಅದನ್ನ.
ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್, ಆ
Yes, sir.
ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ದು ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಸಿ ರೇಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ?
ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಸರ್ ಅದು.
ಹಾ,
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಅಪ್ ಟು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 80 to 85% ಅದು ಆಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
80 to 85 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಿಂಗೆ ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ 80 to 85 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ 98%, 99%, then only you can properly calibrate your robotics arm with your human movement.
ಸರ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್
Okay,
ಸಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ
ಆಫ್
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಸಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ
ಆಫ್
ಅದು ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಸಿ
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಅದು ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಸಿ ರೇಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ
ಸೊ
ಸರ್.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾವ್ಯ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್? ವಿಕ್ಟರ್?
No
I'm waiting
questions from
for.
my end, sir. You can continue.
Okay,
ಹಲೋ,
fine. No,
ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್?
no questions from ma'am's side. It seems. Birish, go to that. I saw something in the literature survey. Go there.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Yeah, you said by using this, we will get accuracy up to 90%.
Yes,
So
sir.
first thing, the choice of word will. It is not your work, okay?
Okay.
So and again, you should not give in a range. So if the author said they got an accuracy of 95,
Yes,
you
sir.
should say yes. By using this technology, it was reported that, or it was observed that the author, achieved an accuracy of 95% by using this. So don't give us in the range. Up to 95% means what? 20 also is up to 95. 10 is also up to 95. 5 is also up to 95. Okay?
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
that's one thing. Okay. Another thing is this. Did they, I don't know, because I don't know what to ask here. Did they implement any ML approaches here? Like, how was it trend actually? I
No,
want
sir.
to know how was this trend?
No,
Yes.
sir, we are not using any kind of ML approach, sir. Just we are using the sensor and we are training the robot to how to pick up the objects. And we first of all, the complete project is nothing but we need to train for each and every second, sir. How to hold and how to
Okay.
lift the object, so that.
Okay. So, I mean, what might be the technical challenges? As in, was it reported in any of the paper?
No,
What
sir.
might
No,
be the challenges in training this mechatronic arm, whatever?
Challenges is nothing but if the one sensor is break means we need to replace all the circuits by once again, so that is the more challenging in this technique, sir. If any kind of
Victor.
circuits.
Yes, G.
Victor, here more accuracy is required. So as mentioned in the example,
Okay.
you think you need to hold one bottle by using a robot arm. It has to properly find the dimension of the bottle. Okay,
Hmm.
then it has to
Yes,
know the
sir.
proper location to hold. If in case, if it put more pressure on the bottle
Yeah,
will
it
break.
will break.
So the
Yes.
pressure will be applied based on the hand movement. So that's
Okay.
why the calibration of the robotic fingers is more important. So their accuracy is more required.
Okay. Okay. Done, sir.
Here,
Over from
sensor
my
play
side.
major role. Actuators
Okay.
may play major role.
Yes, sir. Okay. Done, sir. Let's continue with another person then.
Okay.
Sir, can I end the meeting, sir?
So shall I continue with the same links? Hello, Anuradha sir.
Vanraju sir has left the meeting.
Okay.